Hi everyone, this is Happy Bird from happybirdsglitternest.blogspot.com, and today we're going to make these lovely little icicle earrings. Now this is a combination of daisy spacers, little tiny crystal bicones, and then glass beads. This is just glass right here. So I hope you stick with me because these are really fun to make and they do turn out really lovely. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to put this together. Okay, so everything you see here, all of the sizes and everything you'll need to make the earrings will be listed below in the Show More drop-down bar below this video, as well as on my blog at happybirdsglitternest.blogspot.com. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is make the top part of the earring. So I have a little 2-inch eye pin right here. And we're going to slip on a little 4mm crystal bicone, like that. And then we're going to add a little 4mm daisy spacer. And then we're going to add a 6mm crystal, round crystal bead. And then a 4mm daisy spacer. And then another 4mm crystal bicone. So you have what looks like this. Okay? Now we're not going to need all this on the top. I'm going to cut all of it with the exception of about 1/4 of an inch. We're going to leave 1/4 of an inch on here. Okay. So now I'm taking my round nose pliers. I'm looking at how this is facing. I'm going to hold it because I want to face the loop the same direction. Okay. So I'm just going to roll this down and then give it a little back bend and then go back in and continue to where it's closed, and you can see that it is closed right here. Okay, now if you want to, you can come in and kind of straighten some things up, but it looks pretty good. So we're just going to leave this little piece just like that. And we have both loops facing the front, which is fine. So I'm going to set this aside, and then we're going to string the dangly part of the earring. And I'm using a head pin. This is a 3-inch head pin. You don't need 3 inches, but that's what I had in there, so I'm using it. And so the first thing you're going to put on is a 4mm crystal bicone. It's a real pretty blue color. And then a 4mm daisy spacer. And then we're going to put on this this beautiful little teardrop bead. Sorry about that, I got distracted. And measuring this is roughly 15 or 16, kind of in between, millimeters tall. And then at the widest part of the base, it's approximately, I would say, let's see, let me try that again. Yeah, I would say between a 9 and a 10 millimeter. Now this is just a glass bead. This isn't a crystal. It's a clear glass bead, but it is really pretty. And so now we're going to add 2 more daisy spacers on top of that. And then lastly, we're going to add another 4mm bicone. It's a blue bicone. If I can find the hole, oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. So it looks like this. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to cut everything off with the exception of about 1/4 of an inch. Okay. And I'm going to come in with my round nose pliers and turn it, give it a little back bend, go back in, and finish closing it until it touches. Just like that. Okay? So now you have this part. Okay, sorry. Alright, here we go. So what I'm going to do is take this piece that we just did, that was the top piece, and I'm just going to bend it slightly so I can slip this in like that. And then I'm just going to bend it back, making sure that it's closed. And it's closed. It looks nice. So now I'm going to come in with a little ear wire. And I already bent this back a little. And I'm just going to slide this on. Like this. So I really hope you like this project. They were fun to make. And these are so pretty. And these are just made with simple glass beads. They're not even crystals. These, the large bead right here. And I think this would make a really elegant gift for someone at Christmas time. And these little icicle earrings, and they have that touch of blue in them to give them kind of a frosty look. So let me know if you make these. And God bless each and every one of you. Take care now. Bye-bye.